Hey, good morning, folks. Good afternoon, whatever you want to call it. I'm taking this on a little journey today, just because I can. You know, I live in a town called Tigerton, Wisconsin. There's the high school. And I thought I guess I'm just going to show you around the local, what made this town what it is. And put it up on the old YouTuber, and we'll see what happens. And it's Sunday. Yeah, the 7th, I think, of March. And what's going on here, tomorrow, the roads get posted. And Tigerton is a lumbering town. That's where it started back in the day. So I'm going to drive us down through the lumber company, through the yard, and they're really going nuts. The trucks are hauling, and because the road limits go on tomorrow, the weight limit, so they're restricted hauling. And we're going to get, spring thaw is finally coming. So basically I'm just going to drive around and give you a little show, see who's all down here doing whatever they do. There's their new piece of equipment. I don't know exactly what, their species. That's hardwoods. It's all hardwood log. Turns into boards and such. So this is what I'm up to. This is what I'm up to today. Oh, there goes the truck, empty. I talked to my cousin, and he's the one that we do the what you call it, the service on his log truck. And he says, go down there and look at the mill yard. Look how full it is. Don't get stuck. We'll see if we can catch anybody working today. He's out working. A lot of trucks hauling. Barker. Holy what? He was right. Look at the logs. Pretty rough down here, so I gotta be careful. Nonetheless, red oak. Ooh, and they got everything laid out for scaling. Hard to maple. Red oak. I do know a few species of wood. Guessing this stuff is laid out for the veneer. So I hope you don't mind, I'm just tooling around in the mill yard. Giving you a little exposure to where I live and what we do. I forget how old the mill is now, or the The lumber company has been here for over 100, I think, over 100 years. It's a good thing the ground's froze this morning. Boy, it's rough. Yeah, we even got luggage laying over there. That used to be the mill pond. It's now not the mill pond because they took the dam out years ago. And back in the day, they floated logs into this mill just like any other mill at the turn of the century. Hey, look, there's some white birch. Yellow birch. Basswood. I ain't going through there. Or should I? Yeah, let's go through there and see if I can't get stuck. Or drag the bottom. Bullmaker. We got a Ford. Yeah, there's quite a bit of wood here. A lot of wood. Oh, I gotta love the smell. I love the smell of that wood. Hey, hey. Yeah, I won't make it. It's soft in here, that's for sure. Yeah, like I said, they call it the spring push, and that's what we're doing there. Everybody's just going butt over tea kettle to get this wood into the mill. So maybe we'll get to do a video. I ain't gonna tell you what's coming up, but something might be coming up pretty interesting. Filing room, I know that. Okay, that's my take on it. I just wanted to show you all how much it takes to run this place, or the volume. That's all. Volume of wood. I believe that's the planer mill. Of course, more kilns. So that's what I'm up to today. Just a little show off of Tigerton. Come down here and get warmed up by the steam. And that there, folks, is what Tigerton started as. It still is. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up, all that other good stuff, and keep your eyes open for some new stuff coming up. Different. We will see you later. See you, bye.